Here's part 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. As we noted in part 1, we had this AABA form of 8 measures each, and we could have guessed that we would have the same thing in part 2, and we do. The first 8 measures is a different way of that we have played the scale. We have more skipping around of the major scale, C major scale. As I talked about looking ahead while you're playing the chords, it's a little harder to look ahead with quarter notes, but after a while with practice, you'll know what is to come ahead, and hopefully you will be practicing it as legato as possible. Not, we don't want that, we want legato. On the first measure of the second line, you have that rhythm of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and then all quarter notes. The way I count any type of rhythm, I don't say that the half note just gets 2 beats and I count 1, 2. I include it in the measure. In other words, I don't go 1, 1, 2, 1. What I do is I call it what it is in the beat in the measure. So correspondingly, I'm doing 1, the D gets beats 2 and 3, and I come in on 4 on the F. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Mostly, that's what I would like to say about the A section of this second part. Other than continue to play legato smoothly and keep tempo. The second part, the B part of the second part of this duet is what we call intervals. We're playing 2 notes, not 3 notes together. So again, you prepare it, practice the switching. While you're playing the open B and G, you're already thinking about going to F and A together. So G, I'm thinking of F and A. Repeat that, then go E. And then we have the same type of rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the last 8 measures are the same as the first 8 measures of the duet. So now I'd like you to practice this, and then you can take advantage of playing these parts with me playing either the same part with you, and hopefully you get independent enough that you can play your own part one while I play part two, and then I'll play part one and you play part two. One of the joys of music is to be able to play with someone else, to blend, and to make music together. So when you play a duet, you have to know your part well enough that you're thinking both about your part and listening to how the person's playing the other part. So good luck.